And it is Monday, June the 24th, a warm and humid Monday afternoon after an absolutely beautiful weekend. Hope you're having a beautiful Monday. And you know, we couldn't go too long without getting some rain back in the mix. So that opportunity will return as we head down through this evening. But man, yeah, what an awesome weekend. After about a week's plus days of rain, back-to-back beautiful days with sunshine, low humidity. I usually don't like to go too far with what I say, but after that stretch of weather, that might have been the nicest 2 days we've had in quite some time. It was well deserved, and unfortunately, we can't carry that over into a few more days. Hope you had a great weekend. Enjoyed all your outdoor activities. I'm sure everyone was out and about. I'm sure pools were hopping. There was plenty of outdoor music going on across the area, and also lots of youth sports. If you're like me, you probably spent a good part of your weekend perhaps at a baseball field across the area because baseball finally could be played. All right, let us start the show. Go. Speaking of baseball, hello Holiday Park, Washington. Ooh, nice shot there.
And we're starting the show. Sing it on the radio, watch the rain. And when the flip down the avenue, dress up like Eskimo. There's no one to change my sweater now. All I need is whiteboard weather.
All you need is whiteboard weather. All right. And thanks to Good Brother Earl providing the theme song. I saw Terry, I think it was Terry, that just checked in saying that she was checking out Good Brother Earl this past weekend. They were playing at Narcissi Winery, and what a day it was to be out there. Again, unfortunately, the threat for rain showers is returning as we head down through this evening, and the possibility does exist that we will see a few stronger thunderstorms as well. Before we get to all the weather information, let us, who else is with me? Let me take you to the website. The photos that you enjoyed during the theme song, compliments of our Pittsburgh photo gallery. And you can check out our photo gallery anytime. We have numerous galleries that we add to all the time. The photo gallery sponsored by the Buell Insurance Agency. So thank you to Aaron Buell and his company for sponsoring our photo gallery. Here's the homepage, pittsburghweathernow.com. You can see our Pittsburgh Weather Shop link right there at the top to get your whiteboard weather merch, t-shirts, and such. We also have the whiteboard weather theme song there, little video from Good Brother Earl, and of course our link to vote for Best TV Personality as nominated by the Pittsburgh City Paper. That voting continues, I think, through the first week of July, and I've received sort of mixed information as to whether or not you can vote more than once. Some people say no, some people say yes. So if you're willing to give it a try, if you already voted, to try again, more power to you. I don't have the complete answer to that question. Also, here on our homepage, we have our fun fact of the day. Talks about landslides, and also our sponsor shout out, giving love to the people that give some love here to Whiteboard Weather, which is Chick-fil-A Robinson, and also PittsburghWeatherNow.com. All right, let us quickly run through a few birthdays today. Not a lot. If you're a fan of soccer, Lionel Messi celebrates his birthday today. If you're a boxing fan from decades gone by, one of the finest heavyweights, Jack Dempsey, celebrated his birthday on this day. Hi, Kim and Baden. How you doing? Mick Fleetwood, birthday today. If you're a hockey fan, Penguins fan, you probably know John Tortorella, coach of the Columbus Blue Jackets. He has a birthday today. And if you're a fan of the NFL Network, Rich Eisen celebrates his birthday today. And it's only one today. Sometimes you get these national days where you have like 6, 7, 8 on one particular day. Today is just one. It's National Pralines Day today. So enjoy your nuts and sugar syrup combination. Couple things. Checking the numbers for the month of June. Officially, we're sitting at 4 inches of rain for the month. Again, that's the official total. Just last week, there were parts of the area you probably got 4 inches in a week. But officially at the airport, just 4 inches for the month, which is still a surplus of about 3/4 of an inch of rain. And again, we'll add to that total in parts of the area later on this evening and the early part of tonight. All right, let me take you to some current conditions as well as our weather maps. Right now, we're posting an 80-degree temperature. Southwest wind at 12. The dew point is up considerably from where it was over the weekend, where it was nice and comfortable. Atmosphere has more moisture in it, and as a byproduct, we could see some heavier downpours of rain with any shower or thunderstorm that develops. And of course, our sponsor, Chick-fil-A in Robinson. This is the way the surface map looks. We are currently sitting right in this little wedge, this warm sector of air. We have a warm front off to our north and west, a cold front, or north and east, and a cold front off to our north and west. As that cold front approaches, that will likely be the triggering mechanism for scattered showers and the potential for a stronger thunderstorm, with the greatest threat being a heavier downpour of rain, some gusty winds, or maybe even small hail. This is the middle of the night. The cold front makes its approach and passes through by daybreak tomorrow off to the east, and we should dry out very rapidly. I see Jacqueline, you say it's very humid today. We're going to drop that level of humidity tomorrow as dew points will be back down into the 50s, so it'll feel a lot better out tomorrow and into the middle part of the week as well. As we move into Wednesday, here's the setup. High pressure down to the south. Take note here, there is a little moisture coming off of the Great Lakes. There will be some weak energy, as indicated by this little dashed line that passes by to our north on Wednesday. And I think as a result, we'll get in a spotty shower chance. And really after tonight, I think the only chance we have to see any showers, and again, they'll be spotty, will be Wednesday. But I think Tuesday, most of Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will all be dry, and that plays out here. I want to show you this different sort of projection. This is Wednesday morning, and you can see ridge of high pressure just to our south. That actually weakens Wednesday afternoon, and you'll notice as we head towards, say, late afternoon, you can see not a lot of moisture, but a couple of these little pop-up returns showing up here. Again, a spotty shower chance Wednesday, and then as we get into Thursday, that area of high pressure starts to re-strengthen. You can see it building to our south once again. So again, our best chance moving through this week of seeing numerous showers will be tonight, mainly before midnight, and then maybe a spotty shower on Wednesday. That said, we will get you to radar momentarily, but again, here's your June rainfall total so far, 4 inches. Not anywhere close to the wettest June on record, which is 10.29 inches set back in 1989. This is the way radar looks right now. All is generally quiet, maybe a spotty shower popping up there in some isolated locations of Westmoreland and Fayette County, but otherwise it is quiet. And as we head down through the next several hours, I think we'll probably see the showers becoming more numerous, but I think our best window of opportunity to see rain showers will be probably between 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock. I'll kind of give a 3-hour window. I think between 8 and 11 is when the showers will reach their peak in terms of coverage across the area. And then as we approach midnight, things will start to taper off overnight, setting us up for a mainly dry Tuesday tomorrow and again later on in the week. Here's your official whiteboard weather outlook, sponsored by Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Hashtag eat more chicken. Sunset and sunrise times, I don't want to go there just yet, but we are past the summer solstice, which means the days are getting incrementally, not the days, the daylight is getting incrementally shorter with each passing day by about 30 seconds to a minute. Average high and low 81 and 61. Again, the June rainfall number. And the main thunderstorm threat as we head down through this evening. Again, this is going to be generally isolated in a lot of spots. Gusty winds, downpours of rain, and some small hail. Also a slight concern. Tonight, showers or a thunderstorm mainly before midnight. And again, I think our main 3-hour windows between 8 and 11. Then clouds will linger overnight, and they'll start to break up tomorrow morning, giving way to sunshine. 80 degrees, and again, as I mentioned, turning less humid tomorrow. Those dew points will dip down back into the 50s. Mainly clear tomorrow night. 62 will be the low temperature. On Wednesday, partly sunny sky. 83. I'm going to list that chance of a spotty shower in the afternoon, but many places perhaps will not get one. If you miss out on Wednesday, you're dry the rest of the week. Thursday, 84, warm sunshine. This is some good pool weather here, folks. Then Friday, mostly sunny skies and 85 degrees, and we'll stick and stay in the mid-80s on Saturdays. It progressively, again, gets more humid late in the week and into the weekend. So that is your whiteboard weather outlook for the first full week of summer. Since it arrived last Friday, this is the first start to finish full week of summer. So there you go. That's going to do it. My recommendation would be to you, if you have plans this evening, raise your hand. I have one of my sons scheduled to play. Vaughn is scheduled to play in a championship game for his home tournament this evening at 7:30. So my fingers crossed that we're able to get the game in. But if you do have plans this evening, just keep an eye to the sky, be weather aware, and never a bad thing in when thunder roars goes indoors is the saying. So if you hear thunder, hightail it inside until the inclement weather passes. So that's the breakdown. Not a bad week on the way. After this evening, I think most places are going to get through the next several days rain-free with some very summery weather over the course of the rest of this week. So that'll wrap it up, I think, for today. I think we touched on everything we needed to touch on. Again, visit PittsburghWeatherNow.com. Check out some of the videos that we have posted there. You can vote. You can get your whiteboard weather merchandise. And I do want to mention, before you go, don't go anywhere yet, if you received your whiteboard weather merchandise, again, I want to start a new photo gallery. And I wanted it to be primarily consisting of you wearing your whiteboard weather merchandise. It can be out and about around the western Pennsylvania area, hanging out at your pool, hanging out at your favorite watering hole, whatever the case may be, or take it on vacation with you. Just snap a pic of you wearing your merch and send it to us or me at PittsburghWeatherNow@gmail.com. And I want to start a new photo gallery of whiteboard weather representing across western Pennsylvania and beyond. All right, that's really going to wrap it up now. Have yourself an outstanding evening, and I will talk to you manana. By the way, congratulations to the U.S. women's soccer team and their 2-1 win over Spain earlier this afternoon. See ya.